I'm 19 years old and I reside in Syracuse, New York. I graduate from high school this June. I plan on going to college for further education, and my goal is to one day become a journalist. Uh, I get discouraged a lot about, journalism and how their jobs are limited and so on. But I want to be a journalist because of one thing, and that is to show how the other have lived to the rest of the world. For example, my country, South Sudan, is like a good example of that. People don't even know Sudan is a country, and that goes a lot for a lot of countries in Africa, and that's one thing I want to change. With that being said, I'm currently a part-time model. I'm signed with a company, LSK Modeling, an event company. Apart from modeling, I've always wanted to be an actress, and it's kind of hard being here in Syracuse, New York, because Syracuse is a big city that feels like a town, so there aren't a lot of opportunities. But when I first saw the audition for The Good Lie, I was so, thrilled. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, this is the start. This is the big deal, and this is a big shot for me. Move. It's hard reaching for that dream, but moreover, my knowledge of Lost Boys came last year or the year before that. I didn't know who the Lost Boys were, and when I learned about them, they are basically our veterans. Lost Boy and Girls of Sudan are our veterans. I praise their bravery and that they have embodied in the past. And I would be an honor to be a part of this film, knowing that I am, who I'll be portraying. As a person, I'm confident. I work well under pressure. I accept being told what to do, and I'm a fast learner. I welcome criticism, which I believe will help me if I get chosen with anything that comes my way. I value hard work and commitment, and I just hope I get chosen, that you give me the chance to put my dreams into spotlight and bring them to reality. Thank you.